guys, कैसे हो? And I hope everyone is doing. I'm giving the intro and Nice is laughing at me.
What are you finding so funny?
Checking out of Le Meridian. Correct, right? Le Meridian. Don't see my breakfast, please. You can see that healthy breakfast. That is a little bit healthy, but this is dangerous.
Wait, you want carrot?
Yeah, I have carrot cake. Pooja needs to go back to office today. We're leaving very early, like right now it's 7:20 AM. By the time we reach home, 1 hour idhar se, so by 8:20, 8:30 we should reach home and she'll log in at 9 o'clock. I logged in just now into my work.
Actually, you like to stay?
She loved it.
Oh, full on.
मैं इसे खाऊं बेटा.
You stay here and you need a deep clean for sure. In the next 2 or 3 days, I'll do that.
By the way, I'm back home. I took like proper 1.5 hours to come back. Actually, I thought returning it should be fine, but somehow Shriman is coming. There should be full on traffic. If Shriman is driving, there should be a lot of traffic. If Shriman is riding, there should be a lot of rain. And when Shriman is vlogging, there should be a flight. And as soon as a YouTuber, a vlogger comes back home, he'll definitely find boxes to unbox. By the way, this is something I ordered for my dad. Dad is not like tech savvy. He doesn't like gadgets and all that much. He needs something that works. That is the reason he did not upgrade his phone from the last, I think, at least 3-4 years. That too, he's on an Android device. So recently I got him an Android phone. Finally upgraded after almost 3 to 4 years. I'm happy for that. But these days it doesn't end there, right? If you get a phone, you have to complement it with a proper Bluetooth headphones. You have to complement it with a smartwatch as well. You can check out notifications, you can track your fitness, you can track your sleep these days, you can do all that kind of stuff. So as usual, like anyone else, I went online, did some research, went to Amazon, just typed best smartwatch, and a few suggestions I got, and most of the suggestions were from Noise. And then I came across the latest offering from Noise, which is called the Noise Color Fit Ultra. It was in my budget, so I went ahead and placed an order. As soon as I came back, it is lying over here. So let's quickly unbox it and gift it to my dad. Oh, that's a cute little box, dude. Oh yes, it is an aspirational Indian brand. Just slide this off. Instruction. We don't need instruction manuals, people. That's a cool looking smartwatch. One really good thing I like about this watch is that it's got a 1.75-inch touchscreen, which is the best and the largest screen in the category, and especially at this price point. It looks sturdy and it's got a nice premium metal body. Notifications and all that is still fine, but the most important feature you need to have on a smartwatch is SpO2 tracking. Moreover, you can respond to calls, you can reply to SMS, you can monitor 2 important things. One is heart rate and one is stress. Also, to customize it to your liking, you have this watch faces. Also, my dad will definitely love 2 features of it. He likes tracking stock market and it's right on his palm. One of the reasons I wanted to give him a smartwatch is this fitness tracking, and all the metrics, data, everything about fitness, your heart rate, your stress, everything can be controlled via the NoiseFit app. Noise has been recognized as India's #1 wearable watch brand in 2020. To start with, in a budget of 4,500 rupees, I think it's a great device, especially if you don't want to go for watches which is like 45, 55, 65,000. I'll be putting a link in the description for this exact model. You can go ahead and try it out. Also, you can use my coupon code SRIMAN300 and get 300 rupees off at gonoise.com. So let me go take a shower and we'll have to head out again. Wait, how can we forget the... Dude, we are talking about the BMW. It's here in the showroom. As I told you, I have to get the clear waters fixed, but there is a small issue. We couldn't get the clear waters fixed. They called me and told me there is one bracket that they needed that is not there in the package. So I'll have to import it because I don't get it here. So I just placed an order for it. It is gonna take a couple of days. But Chota Sa Dara lights, which I told you, which will entirely light up a stadium, those lights were fixed. The main eyes of the BMW, the Super Savinas, those need that bracket. So abhi to already missing the bike so much. Almost 25 days it was outside this house and it didn't return into this gate now. Let's go get it back, okay? Officially, we can say one thing on this channel. Shriman used this door for the first time, right? And he came into Seltos to take my glares and my specs. HD vision. Once again, please don't ask me what is HD vision. I keep repeating this a lot of times. Whenever I mention HD vision, basically it's nothing but my side glasses. Because whenever I say my HD glasses, you people will ask me, Shriman, are the special night glasses which you wear for riding and all? Nothing. I have a little bit of a sight, a short sight, which means long. This is really confusing here.
Anything that you can't see long is named short sight, and anything that you can't see close by is called long sight. Weird, na? Also, I think this is one more irritating part. Getting a bike from service, dropping it off at the showroom. You have to book Uber. I have a Seltos, we have a Verna, we have a street one lying there, but we can't use anything. You have to definitely book a cab and go. Oh, that's nice. 6 minutes, my heck. Let's confirm. Come on. Yes, we got the cab. 3 minutes, man. Oh shit. So I'll see you directly at the BMW showroom. I think we'll be doing a motor vlog, getting the 1250 GS Adventure. Pretty excited to get the bike back. Let's rock it. I think this is my bike or that? Oh, that one. No, not this. Where's my bike? Where's my bike? Sound, if you reduce the sound, I can vlog so that I don't get a copyright. Thought shit, what are you listening, Sharan? What is all this? Unparliamentary.
Today's hits.
Listen to some nice Desi songs. Amana Telugu songs vinu koncham. మేము మా హోటల్ రూమ్ లో సుప్రభాతం పెట్టుకొని లెగుస్తుండే రోజు పొద్దున. ఎనీవేస్ ప్లాన్ ఫ్లాప్ हो गया. I thought everything is fixed on the bike, but unfortunately some miscommunication happened. They did not fix the clear water lights. I thought रात में I'll take it out full on stadium lights के साथ, but flop. So they told me they need some bracket for it, right? Told them I'll get it maybe in 35-45 days. Already ordered that. It's going to take 30 to 40 days. It should come from USA again with customs and all that. Miscommunication basically. They thought I'll get the bracket for Super Savinas. Along with it, I want the Darlas to be fixed. What I told them is fix the Darlas now. Super Savinas I'll fix it once I get the bracket. Still, I told them I'll take the bike and go, because the one main reason I wanted to take the bike is I'm lazy to take the cab and go back, and I want the BMW to come back home today. Almost 25 days हो गए, 27 days as of date. Bill I'll pay later, no? We already pay a lot of bills now.
ఏంటది ఫుడ్ ఏదో బట్టల షాప్ అనుకున్నా.
బట్టలు కాదు, నేను గోల్డ్ దుకాణం అనుకున్నా. I mean gold shop. What is gold దుకాణం? Say gold shop. Jewelry shop. What's up, Chaitanya, bro?
What's up, buddy?
How is your R90 doing?
Excellent.
Again washing? Chaitanya will get it for washing and then put it back at home.
Then put PPF.
Then put PPF.
Then put wrap.
Then wrap AC or 10 kilos పెంచాడు. R90 పక్కన పెట్టి what happened to our Pulsar, bro?
I have to go find out.
We paid, but we forgot. ఇంత కష్టపడి తీసుకొచ్చాం దాన్ని. మన BMW కూడా అట్లా పట్టుకరాలేదు. ముద్దుగా దాని వెనక ఫాలో అవుతూ కాన్వాయ్ లాగా వచ్చాం.
అసలు ఫస్ట్ ఎట్లా షిప్ చేయాలో వాడి దగ్గర నేర్చుకున్నాం. అందుకనే మనకు చండీగఢ్ పనికి వచ్చింది.
Yeah, we got experience how to ship a bike from the Pulsar that day. Next focus again, now we'll get the PPF done on the R90. After that we'll take it home. While taking it home today, it's gonna rain, and then again it'll become ganda. Again he'll get it back to the showroom to get it washed. While getting it here, there'll be a small scratch on it. Again he'll take it to PPF. This is a repeat cycle.
See, Shriman, this is what having an expensive classic bike feels like.
Oh, that is expensive. Dude, what are you talking? There's a Lamborghini there.
A lot of people say my bike is a Lambo of a bike.
Cute boy, Pranav. Come on, we got content. भैया क्या हुआ भैया? स्टार्ट नहीं हो रहा, इसमें इंजन नहीं है, खाली है. That valet guy, he was trying to start the car. He was trying to find the engine. साहब गाड़ी में साउंड नहीं आ रहा, इंजन का साउंड नहीं आ रहा. అందుకే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వద్దు, పెట్రోల్ ఇంజన్ కొనుక్కో అని చెప్పిన. ఇట్లా స్టార్ట్ సౌండ్ రావాలి. బై ద వే it started raining. I just said Chaitanya will take his bike, it'll start raining. Again he'll get it back to get it serviced. It's not my dosham, it is your dosham. You have dosham. No, honestly dude, today I just checked Google, it said there is no rain absolutely, and look at it. It's raining. See, Apple is all fake. I mean weather report, only weather report, okay? Otherwise I'm fanboy. Chaitanya, more than you, I am at trouble. I have to take the bike and go till Malkajgiri.
నీకు పడదురా, ఓన్లీ గచ్చిబౌలి సైడ్ వస్తుంది వర్షం, నీ సైడ్ రాదు.
It follows Chaitanya, the cloud follows Chaitanya only.
హెల్మెట్ తెచ్చినావా లేదా?
I got the helmet, but see the dark print visor. మనం లదాఖే కొట్టినాం డార్క్ ప్రింట్ వైజర్ వేసుకొని. హైదరాబాద్ లైట్, మల్కాజ్గిరి పిచ్చా లైట్. Finally sitting on my bike, literally after I think 13 or 14 days. Oh shit, I missed the U-turn. I always forget this year. As soon as you exit the showroom, Shriman, remember there is a U-turn. So no problem, we'll take the longer route. Anyways, once this bike goes back home, till the next big ride, it's not gonna come out. Feels good to be back on the BMW. But actually, yes, yeah, I'm taking a very, very long route. Let me take a U-turn, should I? By the way, the work has not been done like I told you. Unfortunately, there was a small miscommunication. I told them to install the Darlas for now and the brake light, the Billy. Some really, really amazing clear order lights. But then it's okay. Let me get the bracket for the Super Sevinas. Once we get the bracket all together, Eki bar will put the Christmas lights. So we have to quickly go through the stats once. Don't remember how many kilometers did we 4,573 kilometers as of date. We have half a tank left. Let's stop talking about the range and all that now from now onwards, because I know I've been repeating it too much. Our range 600, 700, 800. But yeah, definitely very impressive, and it's really helpful. I thought it's an overkill of 30 liters. Trust me, when you're touring, it's definitely a bliss. Only thing is, everyone in the group should have a GSA, which might happen soon, because otherwise you'll have to stop for others. Oh, by the way, I keep forgetting about the quick shifter. This bike has a quick shifter and an auto blipper. 99% of the people know that, but for the 1% who don't, quick shifter is basically for clutchless shifts. You can directly shift the gear without using the clutch. This is one irritating signal. There are two irritating signals in Hyderabad. One is this one, and the second one is thoda aage jane ke baad you'll have the check post signal. Very irritating, yeah. They'll have like long queues. Luckily time is like 9 o'clock right now, 9:20. There is no traffic. No traffic, nahi. Itna sa traffic to hai, and oh yes, back to normal, yeah. Like there are heavy jams these days. Once again, traffic is back to pre-COVID days. Oh yes, this horn is definitely irritating. The more irritating part is using the horn while you're on Senna with your friends. It is so loud on the Senna, the other person will go mad. My friends used to shut down their Sennas when I was honking. The reason for that is, iska horn is literally here. I don't know if you can see it. It is difficult actually. Yeah, it is literally here on the right. But yeah, gaadi to full chamak. It is shining on like crazy. And oh yeah, how can I not mention, dude? There are no panniers. Actually, I got so used to riding with panniers, because the moment I bought the bike, our first big ride was directly to Ladakh. Uncle, emana goosunda Honda Activa mida bass pat leskon goosund. You think you're comfortable on the GSA? Look at that uncle. He folded his legs and is sitting on the Activa. And you know, with panniers and the top box, a lot of weight in it. I know filtering is a little bit difficult with that. You'll have to be more mindful, more careful. But trust me, the stability of the bike on the highway and in off-roading, it's really amazing. And oh yes, BMW gave us a chota sa bill today just for washing. BMW range mein hai bill bhi, just for washing. And finally we enter hamara ghar ka lane. After so many days, the BMW is back home. Now we have a lot of place to park the bike. Where do we park? Right? Yeah, left. I think we'll park it under this shed. Oh, by the way, we are planning to put the same shed over here. So this old shed, literally the metal shed, which looks very bad, we made it along with this house, but it looks so bad that I've decided to change that as well. Okay, BMW, you sleep here for some days. Looks nice and shiny.
Chalo, I'm back home and it really feels good to have the BMW back. Only thing is, there is a small mark that happened on the tank, the white part, not the blue part. Actually blue part pe hona tha, because the blue part of the tank, it's got PPF. The white part, the sides, it doesn't have PPF. Not a major thing actually, very minute and light kind of discoloration. It happened because I put this stupid tank back base part. You remember, right? I used to fancily put the riding gloves on it. It created a small mark on either sides of the tank. I'm not even sure if it will show on the camera, but yeah, next vlog maybe I'll show it to you. Except that the whole bike is full jackass. And we were talking about the street twin. I've already taken an appointment from Triumph today. Most probably in this week, day after tomorrow, most probably I'll be taking it for the accessories. I'm planning on to customize it, like every bit of it. Let's see. But yes, I wanted to do it because since the time I bought the street twin, we've done like shamelessly just 1100 or 1200 kilometers on it. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you guys did, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment, and everything is free, yaar. Don't think so much. Subscribe to absolutely free, so do hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.